y'all check this out already. Look. Big Gil, nigga. Big Gil, dog. How it is. Matter of fact. That's how it's gonna be. Hey, y'all check this out, you know what I'm saying? It's that whole B-I-double-G-I-L, you know what I'm saying? Look, just gon' do your part while I'm gon' do mine. Cause I don't give a fuck when you start on your grind. I don't care if you shine, I just care about your bugs. And I'm not hard to find if you wanna come and bug. Better keep it in your mind, better wish it as good luck. Bitch, I'll leave your ass behind, this boy don't give a fuck. So you goddamn right, we hustle all night. The stuff for bag money, which got me looking bright. I'm like your fucking light, you can see me from your side. The reason why you're hating is cause I'm gleaming nice. Got the whole merchandise, this boy stands tall. Y'all should know that I'm twice greater than y'all. Never try to act hard, but them other boys is fraud. When I get phone calls, man, they hoes from your bar. Got invited to your crib, she let me take off her bra. My Patron that was sip made us wanna go and crawl. Dick in the lip, come in the mouth, come on the tits, ain't even on her jaw. I fuck her while she tits and barely make her ass moan. It's only been one trip that I got in her guts and bone. That's how it is, dawg. You know what I'm saying? About to go one more again. Cause look. I'm a self-made way, you better get out my way. If you don't get out the way, I pull out my AK. Here we do this my way, cause this boy just don't play. And if you wanna talk down, you should know that I'm irate. For them other fools is K, for them other ones is fake. You should know how I go, I hope you don't come my way. Boy, I'll serve you up good and you don't wanna get served. I'm a head buster nigga, I'll slap me into the curb. Get something that you deserve, do something that I discovered. I always stay strapped, like if I was undercover. It's like I'm coming down the hood, just for good, so invincible. Working fuck boys with my toys, this a criminal. Cause niggas can't talk, but they can't do shit. So I bust out with the walks, still be throwing up the click in the state town where we don't play around. Who was making all these sounds like it's really going down? Cause I'm on the block all the time, steady rocking on my grind. Who was flipping, never behind, and gets me to spit my rhymes. Makes girls say I'm too fine, some say I'm one of a kind. That's me rapping so clean, so fly, so plain. Rich stacks, freedom. People say, where's he from? Don't worry, little nigga, I come where I'm from. As I say, I'm getting paid. They about to say every day. Soon you see me on my straight, cause when the money hits the face. Know what I'm saying, dawg?